Today we will be making a gorgeous bow, perfect for any wreath, door, Christmas tree, or wherever you'd like to have it. What you will need, I have this really pretty gold embellished and gold trim burlap. It's 5.5 inches in width, and I have cut 40-inch long pieces because I want this to be a very large bow. And I have cut 3 pieces 40 inches long. I also have this really pretty sheer gold trim ribbon, and it is 2.5 inches in width. Again, I have cut 40-inch long pieces, 3 pieces each, and I have also cut 1 piece 44 inches long of both the burlap and the gold trim. These will serve as my loops, and then the 2 44-inch pieces will serve as my tails. So I have a nice amount of bow wire, and I actually made it longer because I know I'm going to attach it to something, probably a wreath. But I like to use the wire to help me, you know, tie it to things. And then I have the large Burlap bow maker and also a pair of scissors. Alright, let's get started. So first thing you are going to do, take your Burlap and fold your bow wire in half and place it in the center. Again, you can adjust the size of the loops and the tails if you don't want a bow as large as the one I'm making, or if you want one even larger or smaller. Just adjust the lengths of your pieces accordingly. So I'm starting with the 44-inch long piece. So I've folded in half. I have the nice crease here. This is my center, and it doesn't matter which side I use because they're the same. But if you do have a right and a wrong side that you're using, you want to have the right side facing up, and then we're going to scrunch it. So fold it in half and bring the front and the back up just like that and place it down. So it's going to make a pretty large size tail. I'm going to do the exact same thing with the ribbon. Fold it in half, scrunch, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Oh, careful. Take your wand and scrunch it. We're going to be scrunching it a lot because we're adding a lot of ribbon. Okay, so those were the 2 44-inch long pieces, my 2 longest pieces. Now I'm going to add the loops. Alright, so I have my 40-inch long piece. I'm going to fold in half so that I know where the center is. And if you have ribbon that has a right and a wrong side, this is going to be the wrong side facing up. And you're going to scrunch it and place it down. Make a nice loop. So see, that's how you get the right side facing upwards. And scrunch the other side. And place it down. Scrunch it all together. Take your center crease and scrunch it in the center. So you can put all the burlap pieces down and then place all the ribbon pieces, but I'm going to alternate burlap ribbon, because I think that would just look so cute and like just so much more fun. So same way, I'm going to scrunch, make a loop, and scrunch the other side. And then scrunch it in the center. And then you can maneuver it with your wand in place, just like that. And I'm going to do this 4 more times because I have 4 more pieces. So as you can see, I'm kind of angling it at a diagonal. I just think that looks so cute because you can see all the different dimensions of it and everything. But you can definitely keep it straight if you'd like. But this is what it's looking like so far. I have 2 more pieces and then we will be all done. Use your wand to scrunch it all together, because the more ribbon you add, the thicker it's going to get and the harder it is to keep everything together. but it's worth it. So just scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. So I gave it one final scrunch. I'm going to take my bow wire, the two open ends inside of the loop, hold my bow together and pull. Okay, and I'm going to tie it a couple of times. And again, I intentionally left excess bow wire so that I can tie it to whatever I choose. A wreath, fireplace, door, Christmas tree. And I'm just going to fluff up my loops, make them extra poofy. And you can ribbon cut the ends if you choose to, but I actually think I'm going to leave them squared off this time. So this bow came out to about 15 inches and you're all done. Again, you can add extra little embellishments or anything that you'd like, pine cones, bells, tulle. Just have fun with it and make it your own. I will link the video on how to make this wreath in the description box down below and also at the end of this video.